Five years ago, our biggest clients in the seafood and fish industry were struggling to keep track of their operations. Business had grown, demand was at an all-time high, but costs were spiraling out of control. Traceability was a challenge at best, anxiety-inducing for management in the case of a quality assurance issue, or worse still, a product recall. Tracking production efficiency and actual costs of production was a sea of endless reports, holding them back from knowing their true margins or any actionable intelligence to improve their process. More than anything, processing these transactions in software was even worse. Gloves, wet rooms, cold storage, scales, label printers, all unique challenges in this industry. They had reached a point of volume that their dated software solution just didn't make the cut. They needed a scalable solution that minimized spoilage, tracked production performance against industry standard yield factors, offered complete end-to-end traceability at the click of a button, had quality control built in with the ability to reject any bad fish with real-time progress tracking, whilst also creating new business opportunities through re-inventorying byproducts such as heads, trim, tail, bones that can be sold to other industries such as animal feeds. All of this whilst providing ease of processing through a touchscreen enabled tablet, scale input, and the speed, ease and accuracy of GS1 label printing and scanning. Today, business couldn't be easier. Capacity is increased, onboarding a new facility is a breeze, traceability is one click away, and costs are under control, meaning customer relations are at an all-time high with new contracts coming through the door daily. I'm Nathan Smith, the Director of Product at Softengine. Together, we're going to show you how you too can utilize the cutting edge in seafood, meat, and deli production from our 5 years of dedication to understanding your industry, developing world-class software solutions, and providing technology infrastructure that makes running your business simple. Welcome to Softengine's Food One, Cut Room and Cut Line solutions. Accessible directly through a web browser on any web-enabled device, Cut Room and Cut Line interface in real time with SAP Business One to record all of your business activity and accounting. Cut Room facilitates small cutting operations for small restaurants and ad-hoc orders, such as cutting steaks, fillets, or even cold cuts for a deli-style operation. Simply select what you're making, select or scan what you're making it from, and simply place the finished product on your scale. Cut Room automatically issues the base product to your industry standard yield factor and receives the finished goods. Cut Room generates a unique traceable lot number and expiration date and prints a GS1 scannable label. Now the cut is instantly available to sell in SAP Business One. Better still, Cut Room allows you to weigh out your byproducts to make them available for future sale, and at the end of your shift allows you to weigh out any remaining fish or product so that you can true up your yield factor for accurate costs and actionable intelligence to improve your process. Cut Room also creates all the underlying documents in SAP Business One, tracking all the costs involved so you don't even need to worry about logging in. Cut Line is Softengine's industry-leading solution for continuous production, facilitating large corporate or retail orders and stocking production runs. Cut Line allows us to configure our line and prepare our team for their shift, prioritize the line workload, and gives a real-time dashboard to track progress, meaning that orders can be packaged and shipped just in time, even if the line is still running. The line setup and authorizations are configured in our administration console, meaning multiple lines can be ran concurrently and makes bringing on new facilities a breeze. Planning the output of the line starts by selecting the first order that we want to process by simply dragging and dropping to the line queue. Once the first order is selected, CutLine filters the remaining document list by the base products in your recipe for this initial order, ensuring that your workload consists of the same set of base products, in this case by species, to ensure that your line is free from any contaminants or allergens. Now we can plan the rest of the output of the line by dragging and dropping your demand orders to the line queue. We can also set the initial order priority by stacking the rows in the correct order. Once the documents are selected for the shift, we can start cutting. Simply scan or select the base product that we want to start processing and load it into the start of the line. Welcome to our progress dashboard. Updated in real time and configurable to your liking, the dashboard shows current progress of the order that we're processing and the overall progress of the shift. Simply place the first container on the scale and CutLine issues the base product to your industry standard yield factor, generates a lot number, expiration date, a GS1 scannable label, and takes receipt of our finished product, ready for palletizing and shipping. The GS1 scannable label is also customizable for the specific business partner for the order we're currently cutting, so that you can accommodate for your client's labeling specifications. Once we've completed the quota of the first order, CutLine starts the next, changing the printed label to the next business partner and starts tracking the progress until this order is complete. Customer dials in and requests their order to be expedited. No problem. If authorized, CutLine allows your lead operator to change the priority of the line on the fly, so you can accommodate your client's needs. If there's still based fish available, having finished the planned order manifest, CutLine now allows us to cut to stock using your own stocking label until depleted. Alternatively, we can weigh out the rest to true up your yield factors. Keeping a clean and sanitary line is a breeze. At any time during the shift, any byproducts or rejected fish can be weighed in, inventoried, and moved back to the freezer to ensure there are no delays on your line. CutLine integrates in real time with SAP Business One and creates all the underlying receipts and issues whilst relating all the documents together, meaning traceability is at the click of a button, costs are accurate, and reporting and accountability is built in and customizable to your liking. Welcome to the next level in production processing. At Softengine, we truly believe that your success is our success, and we pride ourselves in delivering exceptional products and services. Contact us at sales@softengine.com to schedule your demo to see how together we can streamline your business. Thank you for watching this presentation, and we look forward to helping you accelerate your success.
Softengine, solutions that impact the bottom line.